pork meatloaf parm over spaghetti marinara. Yeah, let's get to it. So I have my pot of water on the stove set to high heat, getting ready for it to boil. Panko mozzarella, salt and pepper, and oil. Oil. Salt. Next up, take half of this mixture, add it to the ground beef, half of this mixture, add it to the ground beef, tablespoon of water, salt and pepper, tablespoon of water, salt, pepper, mix to combine. That's not gonna work. Form the pork mixture into two 1-inch tall loaves. 1-inch tall, sure. While my pasta is cooking, I'm going to prepare the sauce. And there you have it, folks. This week on Christina Just Tried, I tried HelloFresh's pork meatloaf parm over spaghetti marinara. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Join me next week and see what shenanigans I get into. Bye-bye. Combining my panko. I should read the directions. Form the pork mixture into two 1-inch tall loaves. I feel like that's very subjective. 1-inch tall, sure.